Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be starting my skincare series. In the future we'll do nighttime skincare routine. We're going to do a video about body products specifically for the lips, for example, or face masks that I love. So we'll do a ton of different videos within this little mini series, if you will. So today, if you're ready to see how I take care of my skin on a daily basis, then keep on watching. Now before I get into my skincare routine and the products that I use, I need to talk to you about my skin type and my skin concerns. For me, I have acne-prone combination to oily skin. I have always had really sensitive skin and I have a lot of allergies, so when I am looking to try out new products, I need to make sure that there's nothing in the ingredients list that I'm obviously allergic to or could cause potential irritation. Other than that, my concern is that I just don't want to break out. I want my skin to look clear and even. I try to use products that help to even out the skin tone, the texture, kind of balance the skin so it's not too oily and not too dry. I think I've gotten a really good regimen over the years that works well for me, so I want to touch on that today. Now the very first step to any skincare routine, no matter what your skin type is you need to stay hydrated. And I'm not just talking about moisturizer, I am talking about water. I love the Essential brand personally because it has a very high pH. I currently weigh about 200 pounds and I am 5'9.5", 5'10" as far as my height goes. So I should be consuming at least 3 full bottles this size per day. This is 33.8 fluid ounces or 1 quart. If you're anywhere around my height or weight, just keep in mind at least 3 of these a day is going to be important to keeping not just your skin, but your entire body hydrated. So, drink up. One product that I drink with water every morning when I start my day is this Collagen Inner Beauty Boost. Now this is by a company called The Beauty Chef, and I found this at my local Sephora store. It is a prebiotic, probiotic. It has vitamin C and zinc in it, and it focuses on your digestive health. It also increases your body's natural collagen production. I have been using this for probably about 2 months, and I've seen a huge improvement in my skin and my overall health. I feel as though I have maybe lost even a little bit of weight just from getting my body more balanced in general. But this product not only tastes really good, but it is really good for you. So I highly recommend. Love. Once I've had my water and my collagen booster for the day, I have to start with obviously taking a shower and washing my face and getting everything really nice and clean. I like to start with using this Neutrogena Pink Grapefruit Oil-Free Acne Wash. This has a salicylic acid in it. The salicylic acid specifically works by breaking down oil, buildup, anything like that. So highly recommend this, and it smells delicious. Also very affordable, so that is a must for me. Once I have gotten out of the shower and I've dried off, I will then use a toner. I typically will go in with my Thayer's facial toner. Now this is an alcohol-free toner. I would recommend an alcohol-free toner for all skin types, but especially if you have sensitive or acne prone, because if we over dry the skin, that is only going to cause our skin to become worse. It's so convenient, and what I like to do, because I have acne prone skin, I mix a little bit of tea tree oil into my product, into the toner, and I just shake it up. And what the tea tree oil does is it helps to kill the bad bacteria on the skin. It helps to reduce the breakout. So I will do this as soon as I get out of the shower, and it's so good. Then you want to immediately go in with a serum, or maybe a few serums, depending on what you like. I'm a little extra. I like to do 2 or 3 serums sometimes. Now, my holy grail that I've been using for probably I think probably 9 years now is this Caudalie Vino Perfect Serum. This product is amazing. So this serum not only hydrates your skin, but it uses an ingredient called vinofurin, which works like a vitamin C without the photosensitivity that vitamin C's can have. So that means that you are not going to potentially have more sun damage if you go out in the sun. But the Vinofurin helps to brighten and even the skin tone. Love this product. It's very lightweight. I'm just gonna do like a little bit in my hand here. It's a little dropper style. And I will apply this to the skin, just in my palms, and then I just kind of press it in. And make sure that you get your neck too. That one's down, and I literally have a backup one already because I love it so much. So once I'm out of this, I'm gonna go right to the next one, and then I'm gonna buy another one so that I never run out. It's a little expensive. It's roughly about $80 for a fluid ounce, I believe. Yes, it is 1 fluid ounce. So I have also wanted to find something that is in a lower price range that I find to be effective at evening and brightening the skin. And I think I found something that is pretty amazing as well. It is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum, and this is also 1 fluid ounce of product. It has pineapple in here and vitamin C, and I'll just show you. It's a little bit more like golden in color, and I'll apply this one today too. I usually kind of mix the two. Now the Vinofurin in the Caudalie and the vitamin C that is in the Glow Recipe work really well together. Vinofurin and vitamin C kind of amplify the effects of each other, so when used together, you see the results quicker. This one I want to say is maybe around like $45 to $50, whereas the other one was $80. So depending on your price point, if you can afford both, I would say get both because they're both incredible. Next, I will go in with my eye cream. I love to use this Peter Thomas Roth Power K Eye Rescue. This has arnica and vitamin K. And the arnica and vitamin K helps with darkness and like inflammation around the eye essentially. So because I have really sensitive skin and I have allergies, this is super effective for reducing that like redness and kind of like swelling, puffiness, and even a little bit of the like blood that pools like that dark circle under the eye. I think they discontinued this product, but it is so good that I have continued to use it, and I bought a bunch of them when I saw that they were all going on sale, so I have a little stockpile of this for now. Something else that I do like to use is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Now this one I don't get the same like reduction in like redness and irritation that I get from the Peter Thomas Roth. However, it's very hydrating. It does have some ingredients that are supposed to help brighten. It has that vitamin C, and vitamin C is great for collagen production in the skin, so I'm all for it anyway, even though I personally don't see anywhere near as great as result with this one as I do from the Peter Thomas Roth, but you know, I'm still on the hunt for something to replace the other. And as you can see, the second I touch my skin, especially around my eyes, it gets really red and irritated at first. That will go away in just a minute. We're gonna let that calm down, and oh, really quickly, the reason why I'm doing my eye treatments and eye creams directly after my face serums is that if I were to apply a facial moisturizer or sunscreen and then go in with this, there could be active ingredients in the face moisturizer or the sunscreen that I don't necessarily want directly around my eye. It could actually cause my eyes to become really irritated and burn. So it's important that I apply this directly after serum, and I would recommend that for anyone. Other options, there's the Peter Thomas Roth Mega Rich Eye Cream, which I did see is still on their website. This is just a really hydrating one that is not heavy, that's not going to cause you to break out. Don't think that you're young, that you don't need to use an eye cream. I guarantee you do need that hydration there, and it will make a huge difference when you're older, so use it. After applying your eye cream, it is crucial to apply your facial moisturizer. Now this can be a gel, a cream, or a lotion formula, whatever is most comfortable for you and for your skin type. But all skin types should wear a moisturizer, especially if you are oily, combination, or acne prone. For the days where I'm just having a good skin day, my skin feels balanced, it's not too oily and it's not too dry, I love to go in with this acne lotion from Clearagen. I love this product. It has a pump and it contains 3% sulfur. The sulfur in this product helps to reduce the bad bacteria on the skin, and it helps to clear up some smaller spots. So for me, I really like this one. It's very lightweight. I'm still getting acne treatment. It's in a lotion form, so it's not very heavy, but I find that it helps keep any breakouts at bay. It does reduce any when I have them, but it's also very hydrating. So I find that it balances my skin extremely well. There's no salicylic acid in this, so it's not going to potentially over dry the skin or cause irritation. For the days where my skin is more oily than normal, it is a little bit angry with me. I've not maybe been taking the best care of it. I need something that's going to do a little bit more to kind of get it back on track, clear it up, and make it look not like a hot mess.
Crusty? No, not crusty. We don't want crusty.
That is when I will go in with this Neutrogena oil-free acne moisturizer. This is from their pink grapefruit line, so same collection as the face wash that I like to use. This has a 0.5% salicylic acid, so it will just keep your skin a little bit more clear. It's a little bit stronger than using the Clearagen, and I find that it's a lighter weight, kind of more mattifying formula. I don't get as much hydration, but for the days when I'm really, really oily and I'm trying to get rid of the breakouts, I will use this. If I'm having a great skincare day, I don't have any breakouts, my skin is not overly oily, it's actually maybe even a little bit on the dry side. Maybe I used this and got rid of all the spots and my skin looks fabulous, but maybe it's a little bit dry now. I need some extra hydration, and I also am almost 30 years old. Not quite, but almost. So for me, I need to use, on occasion, something that will give me extra hydration and give me some anti-aging benefits as well. So in that case, I will go in with my Peter Thomas Roth Lift and Firming Peptide 21. This has a bunch of peptides and neuropeptides, and then it also has gamma proteins, so it helps to not only give you tons of hydration in your skin, but it also helps with that anti-aging process. And it really, when you apply it, you get lots of hydration, but you actually feel your skin become like more firm. So every single day I will at least apply this onto my neck. Today my skin is good, so I'm just going to do a little bit of that and apply it onto my neck. And I'm going to use the Clearagen treatment today on my face. And all of these have little pumps, which is great, so that's usually enough for me. And as you can see, I'm literally just like pressing into the skin. This really works the treatment in. Always try and pat and press your products in. Very important. Pro tip. Maybe not a pro tip, but you know, in my mind, common sense. But the very last step, and probably the one that you may be forgetting, or that you may use sometimes, but you don't really use all the time. This would be when you want to protect your skin with a SPF. SPF is crucial. Even if you're not going to be outside, if you're driving your car to go run an errand, or even if you're inside but you have windows, you can still have UV light and sun exposure causing potential damage to your skin. So it's crucial to wear a sun protection such as this Neutrogena. I use their Clear Face one because it doesn't break me out. This is an SPF 55. It's a chemical sunscreen, not a physical. Whether you're using a chemical or physical, it is crucial that you reapply your sunscreen. So it will tell you on your sunscreen, typically right on the very front or on the back sometimes. Right here, it's on the very front, and it will say water resistant 80 minutes. It doesn't mean that it's going to be water resistant for 80 minutes. It means that the product is water resistant, and the 80 minutes means you need to reapply your sunscreen or sun protection every 80 minutes. Take more, make sure that you get a good layer of this on. I like this one because it does not make me look like a ghost. And if you're going to be outside, make sure that you work it all the way into your hairline. Make sure that you also are getting onto your ears, especially the top of your ears. That is really important. We do not want to burn our ears. Make sure that you get down your neck. So I'm going to take more of the product again. I'm telling you, you cannot use enough of this. Make sure you get some more. The underneath, not as much, because the sun doesn't typically get right here, but working back all the way into the hairline is going to be really important, and make sure you get all the way behind your neck too. Last but not least, take a small amount of your sunscreen, just like a teeny tiny bit, and you want to work this around your eyelids, not on your eyelid, but like above, basically on your brow bone. This will protect that sensitive skin. You see it's right up there. The last thing you want is for your skin to be protected and then you're gonna burn right above your eyelids. Not good. Alright guys, that is my daily routine. I am so into making sure I take care of my skin. Like I said, I've had acne in the past. I don't want to deal with it again. I don't want to have sun damage. I don't want to have texture. I don't want to have any problems. It's important to actually treat it, not only for the appearance, but for the health of your skin as well. It is our largest organ of our body, and it does help to protect everything else. So the better that it functions, the better you're gonna be. Down below, let me know what you learned today from this video. Key takeaways: use your sunscreen, hydrate, drink lots of water, apply your eye cream before you apply your face moisturizers, and try not to skip a toner before starting your skincare. It's going to just make your skin so much happier. And I think a really important thing that some people, especially younger people, forget: make sure you use a face serum. This is where you get your actual treatment from. Your moisturizers are typically more so going to just lock the moisture in. They can and will give you a few added benefits, but where you're getting the most concentration of treatment is going to be from your serums. It does take some time to find what products work specifically for you, but when you do, it's game-changing. I hope that me sharing with you some of the things that I love and the things that I do were beneficial. Let me know down below what your thoughts were. I hope you have a great day, and we're gonna do more of these skincare videos for different skin types and for different things such as body products and all other stuff. So stay tuned for more of that. Have a great day. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.